In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build workflows. Analyze your workflow, 5 minutes. Let's start by opening your project management tool and signing in. Head to your workspace and choose the project whose workflow you want to analyze. Keep this focused. Pick a single recurring process, something you do repeatedly, like onboarding, content production, or ticket triage. Narrow scope makes patterns much easier to spot and fix. Before you dive in, set clear goals for the analysis. Decide what success looks like: faster cycle time, fewer handoffs, lower error rates, or better visibility. Having a measurable outcome ensures your findings translate into results, not just observations. Next, list the people involved at each stage. Include requesters, approvers, doers, reviewers, and anyone who supplies inputs or receives outputs. Stakeholders shape how work really flows, so understanding who touches what is critical. Now visualize the process. Create a simple flowchart or process map that shows every step from start to finish, including decision points, inputs, outputs, and handoffs. Keep it honest. Capture the way work actually happens, not how it was originally designed. A whiteboard, a diagram tool, or even your project board can work fine. Bring in the team that does the work and ask for feedback. They'll reveal hidden workarounds, common blockers, and unclear ownership. Encourage examples and specifics. If something regularly falls between the cracks, label where it happens in the map. Collect basic metrics to ground your conversation in data. Pull task duration, wait times between steps, error or rework rates, and resource allocation. Feedback from comments and reviews adds context. Numbers tell you what happened, but notes tell you why. Use the map and metrics to spot problems. Look for bottlenecks where tasks pile up, redundant steps that add no value, unclear decision points, or mismatched workloads. Pay attention to long waits for approvals and repeated back and forth that signals ambiguity. Brainstorm solutions with the team. Consider removing duplicate steps, clarifying ownership and entry criteria, simplifying approvals, rebalancing workloads, or adding templates and automations. Prioritize the few changes most likely to impact your goals. Test your ideas with a small pilot. Define success metrics, run the pilot for a short period, and compare results with your baseline. If it works, roll out the improvements to the full process, update documentation and templates, and communicate the changes clearly. Finally, treat this as ongoing. Revisit the workflow regularly, monitor the same metrics, and keep improving. Small, consistent tweaks add up to a faster, clearer, and more reliable process.